Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to sprout lentils for your chickens. I've got a jar of amazing sprouts that I'm going to go ahead and feed to my chickens. This is full of protein and nutrition for your chickens, and they will absolutely love it. So let's go inside and I'll show you step by step how you can do this in your kitchen. All right, friends, so it's going to be super easy to make these sprouted lentils. All you're going to need is a bag of lentils, a mason jar, and a lid with a mesh inside of it. So we're going to go ahead and pour our lentils into our mason jar. I've got about a half a cup of lentils here. Go ahead and put your lid, and then you are gonna go ahead and wash these, swirl it around, and then pour out the water. And you're gonna do that about 5 times. Then you're gonna stick this on your counter overnight. So do this at night, stick it on your counter, and let it go. In the morning when you wake up, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna rinse it out, pour it out, rinse it again, pour it out. You're gonna go ahead and stick this upside down. You're gonna let this drain. Then throughout the day, you're gonna come through and you're gonna refill this with water, swish it around, and empty it. You wanna do that a couple times throughout the day. You're gonna continue this process for 5 days. So each day that you do this, you're gonna see that your sprouts are starting to grow. All right, friends, and now we have these amazing sprouts that our chickens will love. This is super easy, and it only cost me $1 for that entire bag of lentils, and I got 6 of these mason-sized jars full of sprouts for my chickens. So let's head outside and give these to the chickens and see how they like them. They're looking at these like, what in the world are you feeding me? They're checking them out, but they like them. They are eating them, which is really good. Like I said, great source of protein. Now let's see what our pigs think of them. Our biggest mama, Miss Petunia, absolutely loves them. She's eating them up like crazy. She is the biggest of all of the pigs, so she doesn't let anything go to waste. She eats it all. No complaints from this girl. All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can make this for your chickens and see what they think about it. Drop it down in the comments and let me know if you do make it and what your chickens think. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day. I've got my fence going up. Hubby is working on it, but we've got a lot of weird weather today. It's raining, it's really windy. So it's on hold until it clears up again. But I'm excited. The beginning stages of that backyard garden fence is going up.